That is a nice bike. Man, I hope Dad hands this down to me one day, because this is super nice. You know what? I'm going to do him the favor, start it up for him. Ah, shit! Man, I'm so sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry. You little shit. Come on now. You can't even start the bike without dropping it. Oh, go easy on him, honey. He's just a young teenager. Come on now. Help me pick the freaking thing up. Yeah, come on. I know you're a pansy, but you can do this. Come on, lift her up. Lift her up now. Oh, my gosh. Look at that damage up. There's my turn signal smashed on the floor. Thousands in damage. Son of a...